Hey dudes, I'm here at Lindsey Wilson College at Smith Hall. I'm going to show you a quick tour in just a second. Today you're going to see the inside of a college cyclist dorm room. So to start off, we got some bikes outside the room. We're cyclists, so you know we got to have bikes pretty much everywhere. This is a 4-person room. It's a pretty sweet setup. Let's go right in. So we also have some more bikes. Can't have enough of those. We got 2 bathrooms and 2 toilets. We got a seat. It's great for shaving your sexy legs, you know how it is. Got to make sure they're clean shaven for the road. We have a box of cleaning supplies. Dude, COVID, man, you gotta stay clean. You gotta stay hygienic, whatever you call it. Over here is our other bathroom. So it's great because if one person's, you know, taking forever, you got another one. We also have a sink in here too. To introduce these two, we have Double Aaron, the man himself. He got this sick flag from Goodwill. He has no clue what it means. Over here in hibernation, we have Malachi. He's a roadie, so he won't wake up until spring. So we're trying to make sure we keep him fed with food and stuff. Over here, we have the Keurig that Zach brought. It's pretty sick. It's great for making coffee. Yeah, we gotta keep it real with the protein. Lots of cups, stay hydrated. Another bike, so this is my side of the room. MacBook Pro, this is what I edit my videos on. So if you see the videos on the LWC cycling page, this is where the magic happens. I also got shoes, hamper, another bike. Also have dry erase board. It's good for writing stuff down. Over here on this side, we have Zach's room. It's very clean, very organized. So yeah, it's a pretty sweet dorm. We got 2 fridges, great group of guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And yeah, it's college cyclist dorm room for you. Thanks for watching.
Soccer all day.